Hey. Happy Friday. So I'm about to break my fast. It's about 7:57. It's almost 8 o'clock. I got me a protein smoothie here, so I bought some things today. I've been having a hard time going to the bathroom. So I've been having to drink my smooth moves more often than I want to. And so I looked up an article. I Googled something in the store, and somebody was doing a review on things that'll help you when you're on keto. And so they interviewed Dr. Pompa. And if y'all follow Benazada, Dr. Pompa is like his mentor and friend, good friend. And so Dr. Pompa said ground flaxseed, chia seeds, and acacia, or whatever the hell how you say that. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Acacia. So the young lady in the store showed me the acacia. If I'm saying it wrong, excuse me. But it was an organic one. So I put 1 teaspoon in, because that's what it calls for. 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. I put my Irish sea moss powder. That's a teaspoon. I put 1 ounce of banana in here, 2 scoops of 1 serving of my Noosh almond powder, vanilla almond powder, a tablespoon of MCT oil, because that's what I take for the day, and 3 frozen strawberries, and some water and ice. That's it. I never use milk or any type of nut milks in my smoothies, because it just makes it more calories. So water is just fine with me. And I also put a tablespoon of monk fruit sweetener. And so I like my smoothies slushy, frozen. So that's why I always use ice. And if I'm not lazy, I'll clean and freeze my fruits. So this is it. Glass straws from Glass Dharma, as I always tell y'all. And I'll be back with dinner. Y'all see I got my lemon water right here. This is my second one. And then I have my pistachios. But those are my snacks. Peace. Hello, I'm back with, I'll show y'all another supplement that I got. I needed a supplement since starting to do keto, because you're taking in less carbs and other dietary, fibers and things like that help your hair grow, nails grow, help your skin and stuff like that. So I know a lot of the ladies do collagen powders, and y'all, I'm just powdered out. I can't do too many more than powders. I'm running out of stuff to put it in. So I prefer a pill. So the young lady at Sprouts was saying this was a really good brand. They had a marine algae collagen, they had a regular collagen, and then they had this one that has biotin and hyaluronic acid, which I've used skin products that has hyaluronic acid in it, and it does help with skincare. So I just got this one. It has collagen type 1 and 3, which is important. And she was saying, which one was it? She was saying the hydrolyzed bovine collagen is the best one. So I picked this up, and this is what it has in it right here. They also, the regular one also was with vitamin C, and I already take a vitamin C supplement, and it has other things in it too, but this one has vitamin C in it, biotin 1500. So y'all see all of this stuff that it has in it. Is 3 pills per serving, so I already took the 3 pills. This is the name NeoCell collagen. So they have different collagens. This is the info on it. And these are what the pills look like. They are horse pills. They are really big. So if you don't like big pills, cut them in half and, you know, take it one by one as you cut it in half. So I just wanted to come show y'all this supplement. My first day taking it. Y'all see I got my pistachios on deck. I got 2 bags so I won't run out. Y'all know that's a vital part of my nighttime snack is my pistachios. See you later. Hello, 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 my people. It is Wednesday, 4:45, I think it is. And I'm breaking my fast with my fatty keto coffee. I do have the recipe that I use on this, how I make it. And so I just make it hot and then fill my cup up with a bunch of ice. And voila, there you have it. So hopefully this will hold me off until later tonight, about 10 o'clock or so. And then I eat my dinner and go from there. So this is what I'm starting off with. Go check out my playlist. It says Intermittent Fasting and T25. That's where I put all of my food videos at that I'm eating, what I eat in a week. I try to vlog for you every day to show you what my meals look like for the day and new recipes I'm trying that are keto. So until the next time, y'all be safe and I'll be back. Peace. Hey y'all, this is my first meal of the day. I'm breaking my fast with my keto yogurt. I do have a video on this. It has some grain-free granola in here. And then something new to me is this keto nut butter by Perfect Keto. It's actually pretty good. Didn't take long for them to ship it. These are the ingredients, the nutrition facts. Y'all know with keto, anything that's low in carbs and sugar. So with this, per 2 tablespoons, it's only 6 grams of carbs. It's because it's net carbs, total 10. But when you subtract the dietary fiber, that's net. And that's what they go by in keto, net carbs. This is the ingredients. Pretty straight to the point, not a whole lot. So it's pretty good. Pretty good. They come you can buy them 2 to a 2-pack. So they basically had a sale. You put 3 in your cart and you get 1 free. So I paid for 2 and I got 2 free. So I have 6 total of this nut butter, and they have different flavors too. I just was safe and with chocolate hazelnut. You can't go wrong with chocolate. So I just put about a tablespoon in here with some granola. That looks so good. This is what I'm breaking my fast with. It's about 6 o'clock. I don't have to worry about my soup later.
And those containers, the empty ones that you go underneath, yeah. And then those ones, the blue ones, the dark ones, yeah. Those, yeah. It's gotta, yeah.
Dinner right here, homemade beef and broccoli, made by the husband, some cauliflower mash, He made some shrimp fried rice. I just took a little bit to taste it, and then I got sparkling water with blackberries and lemon, fresh lemon.
Yum, yum, dim sum, y'all.